Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will be discussing about the crude drug which is there as per your syllabus, that is cinnamon. Cinnamon, where we will be discussing about its morphology, the histology, powder characteristic features, the extraction and detection. So myself, Dr. Pramod, Professor in Department of Pharmacognosy, KLE College of Pharmacy, Belagavi. I am here with presenting in front of you this particular drug, cinnamon, so which is basically consists of volatile oils. So all these essential oils or volatile oils which are available in our nature. So the cinnamon is one of the drug which is there, very much useful as a flavoring agent, not only flavoring agent but also been used extensively in the preparations of various culinary items. So in Hindi it is called as dalchini. So there are different varieties also, that is cinnamon, cassia cinnamon as well as Ceylon cinnamon. Then here there is the cinnamon, basically it is the bark which is there, and it is having very good fragrant and delicate and very good aromatic odor. So the taste of this particular bark, cinnamon bark, is sweet and is agreeable with warm taste. So here the origin of this particular dried bark of the branches of this copious trees of the cinnamon xylonicum belong to the family Lauriaceae. So basically the inner bark or the most of it are the cork and the cortex, which is also known as the Ceylon cinnamon. So the Indian variety which is there, that is also called as cassia cinnamon. So that is the outer bark of that particular cinnamon. So you can see in this particular slide the various types of quills which are in single, double and compound quills are there, which are formed of 10 to 40 pieces. So that's what I am able to tell you about this microscopic or the macroscopical characters of this particular drug. So the size of this particular quills varies from 6 to 10 mm in diameter, and that is which consists of not more than that is the 0.5 mm thickness also. So that is what the standard microscopic characters of this particular drug usually represents. So we have a lot of different brands commercially available, that is cinnamon, grounded one, so which from various companies. So you can find this particular type of cinnamon which is there available in market, especially the cinnamon which are available in different varieties, that is the Indian cinnamon as well as the Ceylon cinnamon. So basically the Ceylon cinnamon is native of Sri Lanka, and it is being cultivated and it is being processed, and the inner part of the bark is being dried and it is being stored in the form of quills like single, double as well as compound quills. So with this we will move ahead on to the macroscopic characters. So that is basically it consists of the size which are there in 6 to 10 mm in diameter, as well as the good qualities of this particular cinnamon is very fragrant and it is very much aromatic also. With this we will move on to the microscopic characters of this particular drug. So that is the transverse section of the cinnamon bark. So we can find, if you take, so this section of the cinnamon is taken with a fresh blade, then you add some chloroglycinol solution, then to make that particular sclerites into pink color because of the lignin content, so it stains into pink color. So you can see the particular slide in this particular slide, the tiers of this cinnamon bark, so where the pericyclic fibers are available, then the sclerites are there, the secondary phloem tissues are there, then below that you can see the medullary rays from secondary phloem up to the oil cells. So like that we have phloem fibers, then mucilage cells, then oil glands or oil cells, which are being shown in yellow color or darkish brown to yellow color. So coming to the powder characteristic feature of this cassia cinnamon, which is one of the qualitative parameters of the cinnamon. So where you need to understand that how you can differentiate between the adulterated or a substituted, or it might be the authentic drug. So this is one of the major important feature for qualitative analysis for this particular drug. Basically for the microscopic, the powder characteristic feature. So this cinnamon usually consists of these sclerenchyma tissues, then followed by the cork cells, then we have a resin wall, then the parenchyma cells with starch grains, then the crystal bearing the cells, then the outer cork cells, then the parenchyma with the longitudinal view, as well as the brown contents, so the reddish brown contents basically, which consists of the oil glands. So that is how we can differentiate the authentic cinnamon powder with any other adulterated or the substituted powder, either it is with the brick powder or it might be with any other powder which has been adulterated with the authentic cinnamon powder. So with this you can see this particularly the leaf of the particular cinnamon is so which has the branches and the trees which are in the size of around 2 to 3 meters in height. So with that apart from that, you have the aromatic leaf of the cinnamon, which is also been consumed in various culinary preparations. Apart from that, it has been also been used as one of the Indian spices or in the Southeast Asian spices, and it has been added in various agents. So coming to its uses, so not only it is used as a flavoring agent, but is also used to taste the mask of various pharmaceutical preparations. Either it is syrups, or it might be a suspension for pediatric dose, or it might be some lozenges or mouth freshening agents, or it might be for cough syrups, especially Ayurvedic formulations, which consists of one of the ingredient as cinnamon, xylonicum, so which is very much important as an ingredient, as a flavoring agent, as well as a soothing agent also. So with this we will move on to the extraction part, that is, we can have this particular type of cinnamon powder. The coarse powder can be extracted using the steam distillation process, where the plant material is being used or made into a coarse powder, then followed by that the steam is being passed through the particular tube. So then followed by that the separation of the oil. So the most important part is the condenser, where it condenses the oil, then followed by that since the oil is lighter than water, definitely it will be available on the above the water, and you can, once the oil is up to the mark, then you can separate it out by the vent, so which consists of and the water can also be separated, and only the oil will be taken out, and it can be used as a flavoring agent or the cinnamon oil, which has a high demand in the commercial market. So this particular cinnamon, not only it is being used in various in pharmaceuticals, but also in food and other beverages. It has been used as a very good flavoring agent. So Nowadays, freeze-dried foods are available. In that also, it has been used as a flavoring, as a spicing agent. So, like that, this particular drug can be the oil of this particular cinnamon drug is in very high demand in the international market, especially the Southeast Asian countries are very much rich in the cultivation of this particular cinnamon as a flavoring agent. Thank you. थोड़ा